Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting right from Outlook. The full guide. Whether you're planning a quick team catch-up, a client presentation, or a big collaboration session, this method will make your scheduling process effortless. So, let's dive in. And by the end of this video, you'll be scheduling meetings like a pro. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Outlook.com, sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. That's your email and password linked to Teams. Once you're in, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard, your central hub for emails, calendar events, and meeting invites. Next, look for the Teams icon inside Outlook. If it's your first time using it, clicking that icon might open Microsoft Teams in a new tab. That's completely normal. From here, Outlook automatically syncs with Teams, which means your meetings, chats, and calendar are all connected. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Calendar. This is where you'll see all your scheduled meetings, both from Outlook and Teams, focus perfectly synced. It's also the place where you'll set up your new meeting. Create a new meeting. Here's the main part. Click New Meeting. Enter your meeting title, choose the date and time, and add your participant emails. You can also include a meeting agenda so everyone knows what to expect. Need to find the best time for everyone? Use the availability view. It shows when attendees are free. And if this is a recurring meeting, say weekly or monthly, just toggle the recurrence option. Before you hit send, double check all your details. Title, date, attendees, and time zone. Once everything looks good, click send or save. Outlook will instantly send out the calendar invites, and you'll start receiving RSVP notifications as your teammates accept. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting using Outlook. No confusion, no back and forth emails, just seamless scheduling that keeps your team in sync. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech how-tos, and drop a comment if there's another Outlook or Teams topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.